What up, YouTube? DJ here. King Courier, the King Courier. I guess I'm gonna start off by saying to this video that I'm gonna start fresh. I know I ain't post nothing in a while, a good time. I can't say how many months, can't say how many years. I don't know. I'm gonna start back getting familiarized with making these videos and things of that nature, kind of putting folks a little bit on game. Just finished doing a run from Forest Park, Georgia to right outside of Knoxville, Tennessee. So cool, around 650, 650 bucks trip, which is not bad in today's market right now, but at the same time I can't say it's the best, right? So I'm still trying to find those better runs, but yeah, it's definitely a tough time right now in the logistics arena, especially the box truck arena. Obviously I have this 26 footer, and it'd be rough for us, man. We're definitely last on the totem pole, trying to figure things out day by day and trying to get to learn and know and connect with the brokers, connect with relationships, do as we can, especially myself, as I'm still learning and growing, even though I am a few years in the game, but still learning, man. There's people out here who's been 10 years up in this game and still don't know everything. So I think it's all a learning lesson. We still trying to improve day by day. But I guess, like I said, I'm not gonna make this video long. Just wanted to real quick bring some light into the world of YouTube, whatever, kind of show my face up a little bit and kind of let it be known I ain't gone nowhere. Still grinding, still on this road, still getting it, and still want you guys to tune in. So like, subscribe, share, I guess help the algorithm goes through and things of that nature. So yeah, man, until next time, King Courier signing off. Have heart. All right, go.